Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Due to the weather being uncooperative outside, it's either raining or it's just high gusty winds, I decided to do an unboxing of the Shady Rays glasses. Now, I'm not sponsored by Shady Rays. I just seen them popping up everywhere. I had a discount code to use and I was like, why not? The ones I have on my head here, these are the Block tactical glasses, by the way. These have a anti-fog baked in. I don't think you can get these right now in the United States for some whatever reason. I think they're going to start to ship back out in August, which I hope they do, because I actually like these. I actually like these better than my Oakley M frames. And if you see that right there, there's a little scratch there. What that was from was I was using a Dremel, and the saw blade, or the little disc, the sanding disc, came off, and there was a guard on the Dremel. But what happened was it shot down and hit my my vise that I have next to it, ricocheted off of that, spun back, and just went right over the top of the glasses here. Because I had them on, I seen it break, and I just like turned my head for a split second, and it just hit. So luckily I had these on. You know, I'm pretty sure any other glasses would have done, but as you can see, it's a nick on there. I could put them back down, but I still wear them. You know, it's a nice little reminder that when you're doing something like that, you should have them. There are some things that people say, oh, you need to have safety glasses for. And I think the risk factor might be really low. But when you're using like a Dremels or any type of sanding thing, definitely. So these ain't the ones we're going over. These ones, or these glasses, are the ones I usually use when I'm out at the range or I'm playing airsoft or doing something like that. And if you're doing airsoft with these, I highly suggest you use the gasket that goes with the glasses. But anyway, back to the Shady Rays. Came in this little box here. Has like a little card on here, tells you about them. Get a little sticker. Can add that to the door of stickers I have in my old shop. Nice little case. Nice little bag. And let's take a look at them here. I did have them out before, so they're extremely lightweight, and I'm going to be honest with you, they feel like, compared to these, I feel like I could break these. I'm just going to be honest with you. I feel like I can break these. I mean, they do have a lot of movement and stuff like that. This is the Talon, and it's in like a dark green color, which is perfect because it matches my hoodie. Got to be colored match, right? They fit pretty well on my face here. I usually use the large or the extra large glasses, and I haven't put them to the test out in the water yet. I don't know how well they see through the water. They are polarized, so I will give an update on the review, but I'm pretty sure that they're going to be pretty decent. So, walk out through here. I'm using my DJI gimbal to record all this. Alright. I have a lot of eye relief. Right now it's kind of, you know, overcast. When I put these on, I don't have to squint or anything, so they actually doing their job on that part. Yeah, it's nothing worse than having a headache when you go outside and you try to fish or just do everyday life activities. Also, I took notice that if you look up, there's actual clouds today. Don't usually see too many actual clouds. It's usually just streaks across the blue sky. But yeah, so these are the Shady Rays. These are the Talon. They're in the like a olive green color. I used the Memorial Day sale coupon code. I forget exactly how much I paid for them. I'd want to say maybe $50. I'm thinking about $50. They do have some for fishing that are supposed to float, kind of like my amphibias. That's the ones I usually use too, the amphibia. I was on their staffing pro staff for a while. Still have those glasses. Still going to use those glasses. But it's always nice to see what other options are out there. And yeah. So anyway, if you're interested in looking at for Shady Rays, this is what they look like. Man, I'm having trouble talking today. Well, actually, I'm actually a little upset because I was planning on going biking and I was planning on going mountain biking and fishing, but the weather threw a little curveball into that, like always. And tomorrow, I'm busy with my daughter. We're going to do something. So if I can't get out at all next week, I have to wait till the following Saturday, and we might be mandatory for overtime. It's always something. But anyway, here's what they look like. Let me fold them in here. They do say they're polarized. That's right there. And they also have the name of the glasses over here. Now I noticed these do not have a like a hole for like a strap. So you might have to get one of those that just slides over. This is all rubberized, so it's nice. I like the tapered fit here. It slides right up underneath the glasses, nice. Every now and then you get a pair of glasses where you put a hat on and it just puts too much pressure on the side of your head. I don't have any of that, so. Well, that wraps up the Shady Rays unboxing video and a couple other things that we discussed. And yeah, so have a good one, guys. I will see you out in the water. And like always, like and subscribe to Bass Fishing Obsession. Take care.